Galang chicks, Brad.
May kasawang chika. Matruna. Marami auto, trawa. Oh, dulo na. Dahil, ito na dahil. Talagang ko nag-eskwela dahil.
Ano na yung lugar natin ito eh?
Ano, Isya Mall.
Isya Mall?
Oh, Boulevard. Dati
Yo.
wala to eh. Siguro pupunta to rito.
Oo. Dito to.
Baka to, kuhanan nyo. Ganda.
Ha? Asam ka, Brad? Brad, asa ka?
Ayun, kami yung galis ng suka.
Ha?
Kamula doon dito.
Ala, video naman ito eh.
O, dito. Dito ko pa kuha.
Yeb, ha?
They're here in Manila.
Sige, sige.
So many people here wandering around, and that over there is the SM Mall of Asia at the back side of the entrance.
Yeah, right there. Okay.
There's a band going on,
Yeah.
and there's so many students here. Don't know.
Let me see, baka see.
This here is beautiful ones or no. So we'll check out.
Okay. Na, may live band ba daw? Oh, ang ganda.
Ay, ano ba?
Lola Pisha. Okay, putol na natin.